Alright, some people have problems DJing on Windows 10 due to the fact that you have to have SAM Braodcaster or something along that lines. There's a couple ways of working around that. First thing I'm going to do, if you want to use Winamp, you can download the latest Winamp, but you need to get some things from Squaresoft. Just go to Squaresoft's website, and once it comes up, what you do is you go down to Downloads, and it'll come up with a little directory. Use the get the Squaresoft Advanced Crossfader 1.7.9, and also get the compressor. Both work under Windows 10 now. Also, if you go to the presets, you can get the radio and the Squaresoft crossfader. Just download those to your download directory. And we're going to go ahead and start with Winamp. I've already got Winamp installed, but instead of using the Shoutcast server or Shoutcast source, what I use is AltaCast. And all you do is go to there. They have a standalone right here, and then they have the Winamp plugin. You also need to read right underneath it is you need to get the lame MP3. And if you're going to do ACC files, you have to get that as well. Also, you need the C++ 2005 runtime to run AltaCast. Once you get it set up, as you can tell, I already got a couple tunes lined up. All you do is you go in. Now, let's go ahead and you sit there. You put in your bit rate, your sample rate, and you want 2 channels for your stereo. Use MP3 lame Shoutcast. This is set up for the test feed for Brainjo, and of course, you change this to match whatever your settings are, and then click OK. Now, the difference between the old Shoutcast plugin and AltaCast is when you sit there and you play a song. Let's just start with this one here. Come on. There we go. When you start playing the song, what'll happen is it will turn around, and when you click this to talk, the song will mute itself, and then you just see what goes on. And when you're done, click that, and the volume will go back up. Okay, stop that. That's one option. Like I said, the configuration for AltaCast is the same configuration you use for that's on the Brainjo website's DJ page. You have that loaded up, and DSP will be that. Close that out, and like I said, it just starts up, no problem. And you can have your library up. Let me get that up. See if I don't think I may not have installed it. But if you have your library up and running, you can do that, or you can just do manually install the songs. Like I just got all Opeth songs in this one directory. You just choose which one you want, and that's it. So that is how that works. And like I said, you know, when you want to connect to the server, you click to connect. Now we're going to get into, yeah, cancel that, close that out. Of course, there we go. Now the other way to DJ on BrainGel is with Radio DJ. Start that up, and like I said, if you go to AltaCast, they have a Radio DJ AltaCast encoder for Radio DJ. Download that, install it in the directories. You just go to radiodj.ro to get the latest version and get the encoders. But also make sure you do get that lame library so you can do that. Now once you get that up, of course AltaCast plugin is going to take a little bit of time. That's what happens on a system. But switch it to Auto DJ. That way you can load it up with, say, let's go ahead and put Dirge for November in there and Bleak. And the same thing here is set up for BrainGel test. You just tell it 128K, 44.1 kilohertz, lame, and the information. Save the stream, and then when you want to connect, right click and start, and then you're feeding to the server. And to start, you just go back over to Radio DJ, click start, and there it goes. It starts playing the song. Now when you want to talk, use the input feature here. But what you need to go ahead and stop that so I know what I'm so I can hear myself. You go to options again, and you go to sound cards. Go down here to the line in, and that's your audio fade out music on active. It'll fade it down for you so you have background music. I changed the fade in from default of 500 to 2000 on fade in, fade out, and the song volume to 10. If you set it to 0, then it mutes it. And you sit there and you know, stream titles. You can have it for whatever you want it to say up there, and what it will stream to the server. If you want to sit there and change that to that, so the inline title will say we're hard 24/7, but you know, they can go here and you don't want to worry about that. And you got all these settings here. But once you get that set, close that out. Go back to options, and I believe it's no, audio processing. Leave it to 40 for the in-chain volume. Take soft 2 for your preset audio compressor, and your AJC to AGC soft, and enable your 10-band equalizer. Click save, and you're done. And like I said, when you go to the kick server, you kick the feed, and then you just highlight that, click, and it connects. And when you're done, click that, and that's it. And when you want to talk, you just push that in, do your talking, it'll stream it, and when you're done talking, click it again, and the music goes back up full volume. Now, you can sit there and you can just do music, go through music or go through sweepers. You set it up using my MySQL as your database. You can do promos and things of that nature, or you just do all categories, but it'd just be easier just picking whatever. I'm trying to remember if you can do a search here. Let's see. I don't think you can do that. You'd actually have to there's a little bit of different things that you got to be able to do with this. This is kind of the rough way of doing it. It's more of an automated system than it is anything else, but if you turn around and you load up all your songs, it'll load up all the songs once you add them to the database. To do that, you have to go to your playlist builder, import a folder, and it will do the subdirectories, and then you just import it and it'll automatically import it. And then, yeah, like I said, it's got all different things. So when you're done importing, close that out, and it'll show up here. Radio DJ is okay, but I would, if you're not used to using it or unfamiliar with it, just go ahead and use the Winamp version. This is all in case you cannot afford SAM Braodcaster, which is still, to me, the best way of doing it. So, other than that, that's all you need to know. So, hope you guys enjoy.